In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign multiple people to one task in Asana. As we dive into this, it's crucial to understand why Asana has certain limitations. Asana doesn't allow you to assign a single task to multiple people directly. This design choice is intended to promote clarity and accountability by ensuring that one person remains clearly responsible for each task. Nevertheless, you might find situations where having several team members involved in a task is necessary, and there is a workaround for this. Let's start by exploring the concept of collaborators in Asana. This feature will be our primary tool in navigating the limitations of task assignments. Now, head over to the Asana website by entering www.asana.com in your browser's address bar. Once there, look for the login button at the top right if you're already a registered user. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, just click on Get Started or Try for Free and follow the prompts to set up your account. After you've logged into your account, you'll be directed to your Asana dashboard. Here, your projects will be visually organized for easy access. The next step is to locate the project you want to work on. Once you've found the right project, open it and simply click on the specific task you have in mind. This navigation takes you straight into the task details where you can start assigning collaborators. Within the task, look for Add Collaborators positioned on the right-hand bottom side of the task interface. By clicking on this option, you'll be able to input the names or email addresses of the people you want to include. It's a simple yet powerful feature that keeps everyone in the loop without needing to formally assign the task to them. Adding collaborators might seem like just adding more eyes on the project, but it goes beyond that. The individuals you add will have the ability to comment on the task, provide essential feedback, and stay informed about any changes or updates. They won't be directly responsible for completing the task, which maintains the clarity Asana emphasizes. However, their role is integral to task progress, especially if the task requires collective input or consensus. Using these steps to add collaborators can significantly enhance team dynamics by ensuring everyone involved is aligned and informed. So, there you have it, the most effective way to work within Asana's structure while still getting input from multiple team members. Remember this method next time you face a task that benefits from collective insight and collaboration. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate Asana with greater confidence.